Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil. I'm really proud to show you another one of our installations that we've carried out. This particular vehicle is a Vauxhall Astra, and it's the Vauxhall Astra J. You'll know this by the dashboard. So what we've done is upgraded the radio in the car. We've also upgraded the front speakers and also added in a reversing camera. The unit that we've installed is the brand new Pioneer unit. Obviously, just bear in mind the date of this video, but it's a brand new Pioneer Apple CarPlay. But the main really cool thing about this unit is it's wireless Apple CarPlay. So you can literally jump in your vehicle and you've got full functionality of CarPlay, which is a really cool function. The camera gives that extra little bit of visibility. In terms of reversing cameras, we do solutions that will integrate into your factory screen, or if you're looking to go into an aftermarket head unit, we can also do that. The front speakers, they're the Automotive Prima range. They come with a complete lifetime warranty, as we are a 4-master. Unbelievable spec of actual speakers. They perform really efficiently off a factory or aftermarket head unit. So you can't see them at all, so unfortunately we won't be able to show you that exactly. But if you go onto our Instagram page and our Facebook page, you'll be able to see a picture of what we've done behind the scenes on this particular vehicle. To keep up with the latest behind the scenes shots of installs that we're carrying out, check us out online. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, obviously YouTube, and also live on our website as well. So we're going to step inside the vehicle. We'll show you what you get in terms of the features and functionality on this particular radio, as well as show you what the reversing camera looks like, and we'll show you from the aesthetics what you can see from the door cards for the speaker upgrade. So first of all, we're going to step round to the rear of the vehicle. An absolutely stunning vehicle. All our installs get carried out in our bespoke workshop facilities in Cambridge. We've got workshop facilities, over 6,000 square foot worth of workshop facilities as well. So what we're going to show you here is the rear camera, which is a really discreet looking thing. This is a ProFit wedge camera as well. So as you can see, it's just there. So it's gone into the bumper. What this requires is the removal of the bumper and then drilling through, and then we use a ProFit camera, so it's completely watertight as well. So that's the camera. What we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle now. So from this unit, as you can see, we'll run you through actually the speakers first. So we've got the tweeters mounted on the dashboard, which go behind the existing location. So that's the factory grille, and then in the door here. So you've got tweeter, which you've got actually quite a lot of room in there, so we can put higher spec system in as well. And that's the door card there. That's holding a 6.5-inch speaker, which is the Automotive Prima APK 165. They come with a lifetime warranty. We're what's called a 4-master, which allows basically all our installs and all the products that we use when we're supplying everything to be covered nationally. So it's a lifetime warranty, but nationally, with other 4-masters across the country. You can go to them, and they'll actually, if there is any warranty work to be carried out, they'll carry that out on our behalf. So a really cool setup. If you're interested in any audio upgrade, just make sure you are using a 4-master. Contact numbers I'll drop below, and all our contact details. So if you're looking for the audio system in terms of speakers, feel get in touch with that sort of stuff. The main thing with this is we've got 2 USBs as well, so this is for charging. So this is already neatly put away in the glove box, so this is where the customer requested for them to go. So they are popped away there. We can put them wherever you want. In terms of the actual unit itself, what we've got here is the brand new Pioneer AVH Z9200 DAB. We've got full functionality for DAB+. For digital radio, you need a little glass mount antenna, or another option, if you don't like the look of that, you can go down the route of a replacement shark fin or roof mounted antenna. So on this system, we've got standard FM as well. Your volume controls are all here, and we've also got full volume functionality through the actual factory steering wheels as well. So for the digital radio, we have a load more stations here, which is really quite nice. So we can update the stations, grab all the local stations to us. And under our stations list, we now have access to loads and loads of stations, which is really, really nice when you're on the road. The unit also comes with Bluetooth functionality. You've got time and date settings. You can change the background on this as well to as you like. We've got Bluetooth, USB, so you can play music via that as well. Also on this unit, which is really, really cool, you can change the screen. So you can change it so if you wanted to eject the screen completely or just tilt it. So if you're driving style, if you're slightly taller, you can adjust the screen to exactly how you want it. That'll set as a memory for when you get in the car, it'll automatically adjust to that. One really cool thing as well, you've got SD card slot, which is underneath here, and you've got a CD slot as well. So on this, if you're looking into this vehicle, the fascia panel, which allows everything to fit and move around, is basically this entire piece here. So it's quite a large panel. These are your factory controls, these are all your factory controls, but it's this large panel here. You have different colours that we've gone for. This customer requested, it was actually a silver dash before, which we'll show you in a minute. But he's gone for a black dash. It actually looks really, really nice. We're more than happy with the finish. There's a really nice feel and quality as well to it. So the unit is wireless Apple CarPlay. For the first time, you connect up onto the via the USBs onto your phone, and then after that, it's completely wireless. A really, really nice solution. So what we'll show you now is the reversing camera, again, which is really nice. You've got a little bit of bumper visible, which just allows you to see exactly where everything is, give you a bit of perception, and then you've got a really nice, nice clear image there as well. You can also add lines to this, but we let the head unit do that, as you can turn them on and off. For the microphone, because of these high spec units, they come with a external microphone. Really neat solution. Also adjustable to if you've got passengers or if you're mostly just one driver, you can just sit there and adjust that to yourself. So that's the system inside the vehicle. We'll show you the fascia panel and everything like that now. So in the back here, what we've got is everything gets returned to the customer. There's no visible wires at all. So this is the actual Pioneer unit. This has got the old radio in there as well. So that's the new Pioneer unit, and that's the product name that we've used. A really, really nice solution. One of my most popular units at this moment in time. These are the speakers. What we'll do, we've already done the warranty registration for the customer. Basically, these are the tweeters. So this system is completely reversible. We can put all this stuff back in when they sell the vehicle, and then we'll show you the woofer as well, which is here. So it's a 6.5 inch. We've made custom speaker rings that fits into the factory grill, so our speaker ring actually looks exactly the same as that, which is why we're a full master and the work gets carried out to the highest possible installation standards. The panel that we've replaced is this large panel here. So as you can see, it covers all the way up to the gear stick and all the way around. The vents go here, and the old radio unit was there. So, but that's all now being replaced, and that also gets returned to the customer. We don't keep anything, it all goes back. So what we'd like to do is just like to thank, first of all, this customer. But if you're looking at any system for that matter, whether it's upgrading your car in any way, whether it's reversing cameras, audio upgrades, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. We've got a whole team designated ready to help you out, to go through exactly what options you want. Best thing to do is book a consultation with us, bring your car along, bring yourself along. We'll just sit down and build the system to exactly how you want it to be spec'd. We can do everything from entry level stuff right up to the top highest end stuff as well. So for more details, you've got all our contact numbers. Thank you very much again for watching, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon.